Danish pharma giant Novo Nordisk has escalated the patent war in India. It's moved the Delhi High Court to restrict Sun Pharma from launching its generic version of Semaglutide, the drug widely prescribed for diabetes and weight loss. Ashmit joins us now with more. Ashmit, tell us more about Novo Nordisk's petition.
Well, a keenly watched battle this as far as the Indian generic makers are concerned. For now, Novo Nordisk knocking on the doors of the Delhi High Court, asking to restrain Sun Pharma from dealing in any shape or form from Semaglutide, which is, of course, the active pharmaceutical ingredient behind their blockbuster weight loss drug and diabetes type 2 drug, Ozempic. Now, what's important at this time is that the patents, there are two patents in question as far as Novo Nordisk is concerned. One patent expired in September of 2024. The other is due to expire in March of 2026, which in fact has led to a lot of excitement within Indian generic makers from entering this market. Now, what's important is that just in the latest quarterly earnings, Sun Pharma had talked about how this is a market that they're excited about, that they want to enter, and hence we now have this petition, Novo Nordisk, knocking on the doors of the Delhi High Court. The High Court will be taking up this petition tomorrow. But what is equally important is that just last week, Novo Nordisk had suffered a setback, a legal setback, again at the Delhi High Court, when the High Court had allowed Dr. Reddy's, which is already making generics of Ozempic, to export it to markets overseas. Now, that is a setback that Novo Nordisk had suffered. They're in the process of challenging that, and now they're making a fresh application before the Delhi High Court against Sun Pharma. But bear in mind that this is an opportunity that would be available. The patents are due to expire in March of 2026. And with that happening, these are not the only two companies. The likes of Mankind Pharma, the likes of Cipla will also be looking for opportunities. So clearly a case that is fit for a tough legal dispute, that is set for a tough legal dispute. The Delhi High Court likely to give clarity tomorrow when it takes up Novo Nordisk's application.
All right, Ashwin, many thanks for joining us and staying with